What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. And before anything, smash that like button and hit that subscribe. But today, I'm gonna take the front bumper off and try to put in my HIDs because they're burnt. So let's see what's up. Well, guys, I'm about to look a little loud because we're stuck with the, I don't know what the hell that is over there. To work on the car. Get it in. You know? But we're gonna do this. Get the bumper off. Let me get to you guys in a second when I got the car jacked up. So as you guys can see, the front is lifted up, both sides. We're about to take the front bumper off. You know, let's get to work. Let me get my tools. Actually, I'm trying to do that. So guys, the 10 mils that are under the car, under the bumper holding it up, are not there. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take out one of these clips. Take these out, take this off, take the rest of the screws out, put it in there. And then the screw that goes here is not there. This one. Yeah. Oh man, you know what? Let me try to screw it out. Give me a second, guys. And then basically it just pops off like that. Put it on the side. You got this one right here you gotta take off. And then this one right here. And this should pop off after you take off the screws on the side right here. And after that, everything should just pop right off. Phillips screwdriver. And then there's a bolt right there you need to take off. And then the bumper jumps off. And let's see. Damn, this price is high. And the whole bumper comes off. Woo! Now what I'm doing is taking off this 10 mil right here. So, hopefully the bolt won't snap. It's a bracket that holds the headlight on. Let me take this off, guys, and I'll be right back to you. So guys, if you've never done this before, there's a screw, there's a 10 mil right there, and then there's one on top of it that goes right there. It's also a 10 mil. And there's one that goes right over here. It's also a 10 mil. You know, from there, there's a screw you're supposed to take out somewhere, which I clearly missed the memo. That's out. So, then you're supposed to take out this screw right here, but maybe not. We'll see. Start with the flow. We're gonna take out this 10, this 10, this 10, and this 10 right here. But if you're doing these two guys, you need an extension. Look at what I did, pretty much. Look at that. Alright guys, give me a second. It's kind of hard one day. Finishing to do right now. Trying to see what else is missing. And this is coming off completely. Because I don't really need it because I have this intake right here. So this is just taking up space. It's going to be gone. So give me a second. And I'll come back. Instead of taking the whole bracket out, what I'm going to do is I'm going to take off these 4 screws. 3. 1, 2, and then there's a third one back here. And then the bracket should, too small. The bigger one should come right out. I have like the tip to be able to do it. And I'm gonna do this side because it'll be a lot easier. And I'm gonna show you guys right now. Once you do this bracket should come off, and the whole headlight should come out. Oh, that's so magnetic. Damn, that's so rusted out, guys. Let me take this one out and I'll get right back to you. Everything is out. But a lot of putting it back together in a bit. But yeah, guys, sorry about the noises and everything. Like, I really apologize. I take this cover off, got that little weird screw there. What I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna break it off. I got a new cap and all that. You know, call it a day. So we took it off, then you gotta pop these clips out, back to the sides, back into the sides, turn it, and she comes right out. I wish you guys could smell it. This should smell burnt. But I'm gonna pull this out, put the new one in, and put it back together. So I took out the old one, put the new one in, put the clips right back in the back. I'm gonna turn on the headlight and see if it's working. And then, you know, we'll go from there. And, ooh, I see it working. I see it working. Ooh, we're about to be with lights out here now. These new headlights, I know it's coming soon. But for now, oh, I want to show you guys the ghetto-ness I found on my car. Like, damn, son. No bueno. Let's take these out. Get to work. Finish the side. Call it a day. Yo, the back on the side is broken. New one's coming soon then. Go to here. Then take off this one right here. Take off this one. Well, it's this one and this one. And then you gotta take off. Damn, I'm gonna have to take this off. Let's see. Then you're supposed to take off those two bolts on the bracket right there. I mean, I don't know if you can see it, but those two right there. Then it comes right off. Damn, yo, this was the brand new bulb. Look where it's at. Huh? So basically what I'm doing, guys, is taking off this. I think took off one bolt here already. Then looks like there's another one back here, and maybe there's another. Oh yeah, and another one right there. So I'm gonna take this off. These are. This one is not a 10, probably like a 12. Oh, like a 12. But this one is a 10. This one is a 10, and this is in my way. Oh, damn it. Sorry guys that I'm not really recording too much. It's just hard to record and work on the car at the same time. And I'm only one man, so you know, bear with me guys, I'm sorry. But give me a second, I'll be right back. Well guys, I was wrong. It was just a 10 mil right here. So this I gotta just put back together. I'm an idiot. But besides that, it's pretty easy. Brought a bolt from Acura, $250, and it's no good. Damn, son. Oh well. Put the other one coming back together. Everything coming back together now. Put almost everything together. Took the stock intake stuff out. You know, made it easier. If you've never done this job before like me, it's a pain in the butt. But if you want to see a step-by-step video, guys, leave a comment down below, and I'll try to do one, get somebody to help me record and stuff, and we'll get it done, you know? But let me finish putting on the bumpers, everything on, and see you the finished product. Well guys, this is the end of the video. It's the next day, and if you guys like the video, and I'm sorry for all the wind noise and all that, you know what to do. Smash that like button. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. Turn on your post notifications. Stay tuned for more. But I really do apologize for how windy it was, and I hope you guys enjoyed. And that was a pain in the butt to do. But if, like I said before, if you want to see a step-by-step video, just, you know, hit that comment. Hit that like button and then comment, and let me know what you want to do. And, you know, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at 6BTL. Catch you guys in the next one.